Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to explain the basics of SQL. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language like English or Hindi. It's also a language which is used to communicate with the database. And SQL, it's a domain specific language. Why it's a domain specific language? Because it's used RDBMS database. RDBMS database. RDBMS database, it's store data in the form of tabular, in the form of row and column. That's why it's a domain specific language. SQL is a case insensitive language. What is case insensitive? So in case sensitive, like if I will write this and if I will write this, it will consider both same. So SQL has 4 commands. DDL command. DDL is a data definition language. In this we use these type of different commands: create, drop, alter, truncate and rename. Create, this is basically used to create the database table, function, trigger and procedure. Drop basically used to delete the entire database or table. Alter, this command is used when we want to alter the existing database. Basically it used to modify the column name. It used to modify the column name, if I want to change the name of the column, if I want to delete the particular column, in that case we use alter command. Truncate basically we use if I want to delete all the records from the table, in that case we'll use truncate. Rename, it's used for renaming the database table. DML command, data modification language. So in this we use this type of different commands: select, insert, update and delete. Select basically used to retrieve the data from the database. Insert for inserting the data into the database. Update basically used to modify the records in the database. Delete, always used with the where clause. If I want to delete the particular rows with a particular condition, in that case we use delete command. DCL, it's a data control language. In this, grant and revoke, these 2 commands are used. Grant basically used to give the permission to access the database, and revoke, it's used to restrict the permission to access the database. TCL, transaction control language. In this we use these type of different commands: commit, rollback, save point and set transactions. So in the next video I will explain these commands one by one. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.